quickly, 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 quickly.
quickly quickly យ៉ាងលឿន She quickly finished her homework She quickly finished her homework នាងធ្វើកិច្ចការផ្ទះរួចយ៉ាងលឿន Then she went outside to play Then she went outside to play បន្ទាប់មកនាងចេញទៅខាងក្រៅដើម្បីលេង slowly slowly យឺត slowly please speak slowly please speak slowly សូមនិយាយយឺត I'm still learning English I'm still learning English ខ្ញុំនៅតែរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេស suddenly suddenly ភ្លាម suddenly 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 the lights went out suddenly the lights went out ភ្លាមភ្លើងបានរលត់ everyone became quiet everyone became quiet មនុស្សគ្រប់គ្នាស្ងាត់
Recently, 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 recently.
recently 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 ថ្មីនេះ I recently started learning English I recently started learning English ថ្មីនេះខ្ញុំបានចាប់ផ្ដើមរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេស I'm enjoying it a lot I'm enjoying it a lot ខ្ញុំកំពុងរីករាយជាមួយវាខ្លាំង soon ឆាប់ soon I'll call you soon I'll call you soon ខ្ញុំនឹងទូរស័ព្ទទៅអ្នកឆាប់ I just need to finish this first I just need to finish this first ខ្ញុំគ្រាន់តែត្រូវបញ្ចប់រឿងនេះសិន later ពេលក្រោយ later I'll finish it later I'll finish it later ខ្ញុំនឹងបញ្ចប់វាពេលក្រោយ I'm a little busy right now I'm a little busy right now ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំរវល់បន្តិច already រួចហើយ already I've already sent the email I've already sent the email ខ្ញុំបានផ្ញើ email រួចហើយ You can check your inbox You can check your inbox អ្នកអាចពិនិត្យប្រអប់សាររបស់អ្នកបាន Finally ទីបំផុត I finally finished my work I finally finished my work ទីបំផុតខ្ញុំបានបញ្ចប់ការងាររបស់ខ្ញុំ Now I can relax Now I can relax ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំអាចសម្រាកបានហើយ Actually តាមពិតឬក៏ជាក់ស្ដែង Actually I thought he was busy but actually he was free I thought he was busy but actually he was free ខ្ញុំគិតថាគាត់រវល់ប៉ុន្តែតាមពិតគាត់ទំនេរ He was just taking a break He was just taking a break គាត់គ្រាន់តែកំពុងសម្រាកប៉ុណ្ណោះ Probably ប្រហែលជា Shall probably arrive around 6 Shall probably arrive around 6 នាងប្រហែលជាមកដល់ម៉ោង 6 Let's wait a little longer Let's wait a little longer តោះរងចាំបន្តិចទៀត